Okay. Skin. Our whole body is covered with skin, which helps us to feel. Okay. When you touch hot food or cold ice water, our skin helps us to feel the heat or the cold. Okay. So if you're feeling hot, if you're feeling cold, only even if with the temperature change you feel the hot or the cold, this is because of your skin. It's the reaction. Okay, it's the reaction of your skin. It's telling you, it is telling you that okay, the temperature is hot, temperature is cold. Okay, when you hurt yourself, when you prick your hand with the needle, or when you fall down, you feel the pain, you get hurt. So that pain is also felt because of the skin only. Okay, now this is very important, children. Please mark it. If somebody asks you, mention or name the largest organ of your skin. So this is largest organ of your body is nothing but the skin. Please underline, skin is the largest organ of our body. Okay, so people who are not able to use one or more of their sense organs or a part of their body fully are called people with disabilities. They need a special care. They need a lot of care and attention. Okay, children? So, if you find anyone who are like little special, they are special. Why they are special? Because they need special care. They need special attention. So, we should all be very sensitive towards them. Okay? And you have to take care of these special children. Okay, so here we are done with all the sense organs, right, children? So why are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin called sense organs? Because they allow you, they help you to know and to understand what is happening around us, okay, in your environment. Yeah, so here we are done with the chapter. So these are the bullet points, and then these are the new words. These new words are torso, ribcage, physically, ophthalmologist, fragrance, taste bud, and people with disabilities. Children, you have to learn this meanings. Okay, torso. What is torso? The main part of the body which does not include head, arms and legs. So what does it include? It includes the chest and the abdomen. Rib cage, the structure covered, the structure or the structure of curved bones are called ribs that surrounds and protects the chest. Physically, in a way that is connected with the person's body rather than their mind. Ophthalmologist. Who is ophthalmologist? It might come in the name the following. Who is ophthalmologist? A doctor who studies or treats diseases of eyes. Fragrance. So when you get a fragrance, it means it's a pleasant smell. Okay, a beautiful, a good smell is called fragrance. Okay, taste buds. I told you, look into the mirror and see your tongues. What will you see? Small structures on the tongue that allows one to recognize the flavors of the food and drink. Okay, people with disabilities, people having a physical or a mental condition which make them unable to use a part of their body. Okay, children, so you should know these words and their meanings. In the next video, I'll be doing the exercises. Okay, so keep your pencil and your textbook right in front of you.